Hello guys, what's up? By the way, this is Don from This channel. So if you are new on my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe or don't forget to tap the subscribe button below. And in today's video, I'm gonna unbox and I'm gonna review this Smartdevil MR10 in-ear headphones. So let's get it on.
Watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep.
So before we proceed, the model name of this headphone is MR10 in-ear headphones 3.5mm by Smartdevil. Wide compatibility, compatible with equipment with variety of 3.5mm round-hole audio devices such as laptop, tablet, iPad or phone, and it's easy to use, like plug and play. This device has DSP noise reduction, and DSP stands for Digital Signal Processing. And what is the DSP? A technology by creating a backward sonic wave equalization of the noise wave to cancel out each other, therefore to cut out most of the ambient noise and greatly improve sound clarity. So, as you can see in the image, it has damping effect system, precise structure design, premium sound quality. New graphene composite diaphragm, clearly layered and no distortion of the original sound. This device equipped with 3-key inline control plus microphone. Less in size, high stability, and upgraded digital inline control chip. Lower crosstalk, high voice quality, surface bumping design enabling to freely switch between listening to music and talking on the phone. It has built-in oxygen-free copper core, less current noise with a lossless original quality sound. It has durable TPE wire. TPE stands for thermoplastic elastomer, also known as TPE, is sometimes considered thermoplastic rubber or TPR. TPE is a combination of a plastic and rubber. TPE is a durable compound and can handle temperature extremes well. TPE material, high durable, no easy tangling, better protection to its inner copper cores, enabling you to better enjoy your music. So that's a good thing. So inside the box, you will find only Smartdevil MR10 in-ear headphones plus 2 pair of buds. So thank you for watching guys, and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for watching and hope to see you soon. Thank you.
Got the good vibes when seasons